Did you know that diet-related health issues affect hundreds of millions of people around the world every year? With so many of us struggling to find the right approach to eating, it is clear this is a global challenge. But what if there is no one-size-fits-all solution? Today we will explore how you can discover the best diet tailored to your unique needs and preferences. Because when it comes to nutrition, personalization is key. With countless options like keto, paleo, vegan, and many more, choosing the right diet can feel overwhelming. Each promises results, but not every plan works for every person. This abundance of choices often leads to confusion, frustration, and even giving up altogether. Let us take a closer look at some of the most popular diets. Keto focuses on high fats and very low carbohydrates. Paleo emphasizes whole foods and avoids processed items. Vegan diets eliminate all animal products. Each has its own set of benefits and drawbacks, and what works for one person may not work for another. Factors like your lifestyle, health goals, food preferences, and even cultural background play a huge role in determining which diet is right for you. So what is the secret to finding your best diet? Start by identifying your goals. Are you looking to lose weight, boost energy, or manage a health condition? Consider your daily routine, your favorite foods, and any dietary restrictions you may have. A simple checklist or quiz can help you narrow down your options and set you on the path to success. Remember, the best diet is the one that fits your unique body, your lifestyle, and your goals. There is no perfect plan for everyone, but there is a perfect plan for you. Share your experiences or preferences in the comments below. And if you want more tips on healthy eating, check out our next video.